Hlathi sneaked in KwaZolega, walked straight to Bavumile's room and picked him up and thought about stealing him after I overheard Lazarus saying that he will only see Bavumile once in 3 months. Lilian walked into Zolega's office to apologize. She came bearing gifts and Lazarus was not happy about it. And they ended up fighting no Zolega. Ligava asked Sumega if she's happy being married to Uhlati because she's supposed to be happy but she doesn't look happy. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Lazarus had a field day with Uhlati, telling him ukuthi angithusi wena, you don't scare me at all. I'm used to men like you. You're always abusing everyone around you. You abuse them emotionally. That is why unkosikazi wakuhlala angajabulanga. Your kids avoid you. I know men like you. I was raised by one. Osho Lazarus because utatakhe is exactly like Uhlati and says that I was raised by a man like you, so angithusi wena, I know men like you exactly. And that's why abantwana bakho ba-avoid her. I'm sure when you get home, your kids run to their rooms because they cannot stand you. Mawufika nje, all of them, they scatter going to their rooms because they cannot sit in the same room with you. Uthati tried saying, I will not allow you to take over Vumile. I'll tell you, you try me. Just dare try me. I can make this very ugly. And he told Uthati to get out of his house. Uhlati then goes home. Uma fike ekhaya uHlathi finds uQhawe was there. They were busy playing games kumnandi bahleli etafuleni with uThumeka and all the kids. They were having fun. And uHlathi walks in and they're having a conversation going on about how she wants uLigava to take him with her when she goes to see Lazarus because she believes that Lazarus can also like get her into Miss Universe. Like they were all singing my praises to Lazarus and what a good man he is. Hlathi walks into this conversation and was not happy about it at all because why are his kids singing my praises to Lazarus while we know tatabo yena uHlathi and they're not doing that about him. And then umengena nje everyone starts to scatter for real. Likamva stood up saying, and I saw your room like Qawe also stands up saying she's going home. Bana bathe, Uhlati, why don't you sleep over? I don't have change of clothes. And Uba Vumile has a routine. And Umama Notat Lazarus, they don't like us messing that up. Uhlati was hurt because Qawe is already calling Lazarus, that Lazarus. That's how. When did you start calling him that? Uqhawe is like, how tata, are you jealous? And then Jiggy no younger and I also stands up saying that she's going to do her homework in her room. Hi. After that, Tume also stands up and I don't know where Tume is going. She's probably going to sleep. Asale yedwa uHlathi in the room. And then amazuka Lazarus, they come back because I'm sure everyone leaves when you walk in. Everyone avoids you endlini. So everything that Lazarus was talking about is now happening kuHlathi and he sees it. And then Ligava talks to his mom, Uthumeka, saying, yes, Mama, this is supposed to be the happiest moment of your life. You are graduating. And finally, you are married to Utata. You waited for this marriage for 20 years. You shouldn't be in pain. You should be happy. You shouldn't be suffering. So I would say, Mama, are you happy being married to Utata? Because, you waited 20 years for this marriage. Unwabile na. Tumeka can't even answer because she starts crying. She was so emotional. She just cried because obviously she's not happy. Like a lot has been going on with Uhlati showing her that she's just starting to realize what she'll always be second best. Tulani comes talk to Uhlati and tells him this thing oyenzayo la picking fights no Lazarus. Lazarus is not your enemy, and he heard about this opportunity is giving Likamva and thinks it's a good idea. But Uhlati thinks Kuti Lazarus is just trying to win abantwana bakhe or 10 abantwana bakhe against him. And so when Tulani tried to tell him, Kuti Lazarus is not your enemy, he's just doing a good thing for the kids. Uhlati thought Utu Lazarus has got to you too. Tulani no, I'm just tired of defending you. I know you should be fighting for your child, but the way you are going about it, you're doing it the wrong way. Lazarus might just use this to put you behind bars, evidence and put you behind bars. Is this what you want now? And then Uzolega was obviously like Lillian shows up without an appointment, saying she's there to apologize. Uzolega being forgiving as she is, like Lazarus Sydney said, she decides she's gonna get them coffee and they can talk. And then Lillian starts saying she's there to apologize when she heard about Lazarus, infertility Lazarus, she lost it because all this time she's been blaming herself. And Zola actually hears her out, and then she gives her gifts, saying that she got her something for her and Bavumile. Lazarus walks in as she's giving them gifts. Lazarus is shocked with her wenzani uLilian lana. Lilian tries to say she's there to apologize because she realizes she was out of line. Lazarus realizes, hi man, when I regret, I find now there's no way. And then she makes some funny thing, please give, says to Zolega, please give Ubavumile a big hug from Auntie Lily. Lazarus is shocked. Auntie Lily, this whole thing is like a trigger to Lazarus because obviously Lazarus knows Lilian better and thinks this whole thing that she's doing is not genuine. They get home, Zolega is welcoming the gifts that Lilian got for her. Lazarus is not happy about it because she's like, there's no way, man. Let me bend these things. I don't trust Lilian. When you trust too easily and you forgive too easily, you'll get bent. Zolega is there to man. She's just trying to apologize. There's nothing wrong. Where's Pat? She got her a teddy bear, and I'm sure that teddy bear has a bug in it, has a camera or a listening aid that she's going to keep on listening to their conversations. So the thing will be watching the kid in the baby's room. They start fighting about having an argument about this whole thing. Lazarus says she doesn't trust her, she wants to destroy them. But Zola is like, man, she apologized and she's your ex-fiance. Why does she get under your skin so much? Lazarus is like, nope, Lilian is not sorry and I know her better than you. Don't let her fool you. Zola ended up saying, you still love her. Lazarus is really shocked. What do you mean? As then why does she get under your skin so much? Clearly there's something Lazarus is not telling Zolega, and because he's not being fully honest with her, Zolega cannot comprehend why the fuss about her not wanting Lilian close to them. And then Zolega gets a call from Hlati. Hlati saying, please, Zolega, come in peace. I want us to sit down and talk, me, you, and Lazarus, and talk about Ubavumile. I'm willing to withdraw the custody case. And then they agree because he can come by in the afternoon so they can talk. And then Zolega thinks Lazarus actually got to Hlati when they spoke because Zolega was listening to the conversation. Lazarus no Zolega, Lazarus no Hlati, when Lazarus was actually telling Hlati where to get off on about his kids and all that. And then now they're waiting for Lazarus, so Hlati to come. Hlati walks in Zolega. I don't even know because Hlati walked in without knocking or anything. Hlati overhears Lazarus no Zolega, Lazarus saying that he will only allow Hlati to see Ubavumile only visit Ubavumile once in a quarter or like once in 3 months, and the visits must be monitored. So Hlati overhears this information and decides to go to Bavumile. He meets Daphne along the way, but lies saying that he's going to the bathroom. He's going to Bavumile's room, goes there, picks Bavumile up, and he starts thinking about this whole thing that he heard. Lazarus says that he will only be able to get a visitation rights, that is once in a quarter, like once in 3 months, and visitation they'll be monitored so he'll not be left alone with Nomtana. Hlati picks up Ubavumile and is thinking about this whole thing. It's like Hlati is thinking of stealing Ubavumile or running away with Ubavumile. But I happy because Tumeka will not agree to raise Ubavumile. And it's just going to make things worse for himself because if he runs away Nomtana and he gets caught, Lazarus will definitely throw him in prison. Hey, Uzombambisa, he will go to jail. This will end badly for him. And then Umawet has seen how Kawe is around Onga and talks to his cousin. Cousin is like, you know what, if you want Kawe, you need to fight for her. If you really love her, don't just sit around and feel bad for yourself. Kawe is out there getting lunch for Yena and Onga because they have a meeting. Uzet is even saying, hey, Wena, have you seen how you light up when you talk about Onga? That's okay, fine. I might have a little crush on him, but just and then Uzetu says, shoot your shot. I mean, I did shoot my shot. Uqhawe is like, what? Uligamva mophi? Ubhuti wami. Mncane man umntana uligamva zethu. Athi no, indoda endala. We are 22, he is 21. He's a man. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.